Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Za and this is Za Canada. Well, today we are going to talk about an interesting topic and it's all about knowledge without wisdom. Alam nyo ba, nakita ko lang to or narinig ko lang to sa isang podcast na pinapanood ko sa YouTube last time. And it's all about money. I got that quote that knowledge without wisdom na alam mo kung paano mo palalaguin ang pera mo. Pero wala kang wisdom kung paano mo gagawin yun. So this topic is what we're going to talk about today at kung ano ang kung paano natin maire-relate yan sa buhay natin. So panoorin hanggang dulo. Well, thank you so much for those subscribers na nag-subscribe sa akin lately. At kung hindi pa, mag-subscribe na kayo. And in my channel, we talk about any information, immigration information or updates. I'm not an immigration lawyer or consultant. You can always verify this information to the legitimate IRCC website. And if you need legal advice, then you have to go to them. Okay, you can ask me general question. I can answer it to the best of my knowledge. But if you'd like definite advice about your situation, then you have to look for an RCIC officer. Okay, so again, going back to our topic, bakit nga ang daming may knowledge pero walang wisdom? So for example, there are doctors with unhealthy lifestyle. There are financial advisor na baon sa utang. 'Di ba? May relationship expert na single for 12 years or more than. And there are psychology major na emotionally stable. How did that happen? Well, real talk. In 2026, knowledge is free. 'Di ba? Lahat ng information makikita mo na lang sa internet. You can Google it. You can use ChatGPT, YouTube, TikTok experts, Reels na may sad music, Facebook. And here, you will learn how to get rich, paano pumayat, how to get fit, paano magkaroon ng muscle, paano sumayaw, how to be disciplined, how to heal trauma, and how to fix your life. Pero, ang tanong, bakit same pa rin ang buhay mo after 5 years? Diba? Actually, you don't need the knowledge. Dahil alam mo na sa sarili mo yan. What you need is wisdom and discipline. So let's take this as an example. You have a friend and may ex siya. Yung ex ng friend mo is super pasaway. May bisyo ng bababae, nananakit, at kung ano-ano pa. Sabi mo sa kaibigan mo, hiwalayan mo na yan. Hindi maganda yan para sa'yo. But guess what? After a week, nakita mo sila magkasama na naman. Well, I completely understand that you always have to fix your relationship, probably get back together. But kung ikaw na yung sinisira niyan, then what's the point? What's the point of getting back together? At yan ang tinatawag na walang wisdom at walang self-control. Well, here are a few examples. So knowledge is knowing smoking is bad Alam mo na masama sa katawan mo ang pagsisigarilyo. But then again, sinindihan mo pa rin yung lighter mo or inon mo pa rin yung lighter mo and then nilagay mo siya sa sigarilyo mo. 'Di ba? Alam mo naman, knowledge is you should save money. Kailangan mo mag-ipon ng pera. Pero you are still buying lot of silly things, lot of those things that you don't need just to impress people that you don't even like para makapag-impress sa social media. Next one is knowledge that that person is toxic. Pero lalapit ka pa din. 'Di ba? Wisdom is walking away kahit masakit 'yon. Alam mo that you're going to hurt someone. But still, if you think that that person is toxic, then it is rightful. It is smart move na layuan yung mga ganyang tao. So wisdom is applied knowledge. Wisdom is usually learned after suffering. And probably these things happen to all of you guys. May mga kilala kayo or may mga kilala tayo na super talino, top of the class, laging may advice. Pero laging broke, laging walang pera, laging nasa toxic relationship, laging may drama, at minsan laging pagod sa buhay. Pero minsan mapapatanong ka, sasabihin mo, bro or sis, alam mo naman yung sagot dyan sa tanong na yun. Pero bakit ganyan pa din ang buhay mo? Ang laging sagot, alam ko naman, pero napakahirap gawin. 'Di ba? And that's the gap between knowledge and wisdom. You always have to take the first step. Laging mahirap ang unang hakbang. Kahit kanino naman kahit anong gagawin mo sa buhay, yung pinakamahirap is the first 5 minutes. But if you try to do it on the first 5 minutes, kung ipupush mo lang yung sarili mo, and if you are going to stop procrastinating, na laging mamaya, then you would surely bridge the gap between knowledge and wisdom. And here's one great advice. You don't need podcast, okay? You don't need another book. And you don't need another motivational video para lang gawin yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. Okay? You just need to finally do the boring, the painful, and the correct thing. Kailangan mo yung first step. Okay? So even walang nanonood sa mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa mo, walang pumapalakpak, walang instant result ang mga bagay-bagay, then that's wisdom. So let me leave you with this question. If somebody copies your habits, will their life get worse or will it get better? So paki-comment dyan sa baba. And again, knowledge makes you smarter, but wisdom makes you free. Okay? So sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. At laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.